Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for coding interviews, today's problem is a must know. Longest substring without repeating characters. This is a common question asked in FAANG interviews, and I'll walk you through the best approach to solve it efficiently. So let's get started. The problem is longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string of s, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. So if you will see into the first string, it's ABC. This is the string, but if output is 3 because the longest substring is ABC, either this one or ABC this one. After that, if you will see ABC and then again A is repeated, so the longest substring is ABC. Similarly, here only character is B, so the output is 1. And in example 3 we will see PWWKEW. So longest substring is WKE. You can see WK is the longest substring. And also notice that answer must be substring. PWK is a subsequence, not a substring. Yes, so PWK is a subsequence, but we need only a substring without repeating characters. So WK is a substring. So let's start. First of all, we will use the brute force approach, which is slightly inefficient due to the two loops we will use, and then later we will optimize the solution. So the complexity of this solution will be order of n square because we will use the two approach, two for loop. Okay, so let's start. So max length is equals to 0 for I in range of length of a string, and then we'll create the set named scene, which will store the characters. And for j in another loop, for j in range of starting from I to length of string, and then we will check if a string of j is available in scene, then it means character is repeated, so we will break the program. And if not, then we will add the character into the scene set. Okay, so s of j, and then we will set the value in max length equals to max of max length comma j minus I plus 1. Okay, and then in the end we will return max length. So let's run the program. So we can see output is 3, output is 2, output is 1, and output is 3. So all the answer is accepted. All the test cases are passed and accepted. But as I told you in the beginning, this solution is inefficient uh, because due to these two for loops and the complexity these two for loops, complexity of this program is order of n square, which is too slow for large inputs. So a better approach is using the sliding window technique with a hash set. So we will use a two pointer left and right to dynamically track the longest substring in order of n time complexity. So the algorithm step will be, first we will initialize left pointer at 0, and then we will set to track characters and max length to 0, and we will move the right pointer forward, adding characters to the set. If a duplicate is found, we will remove the characters from the left until the set is unique again. So we will keep track of maximum length found. So this solution is going to be a slightly optimized, and the complexity will be order of n. So let's comment out the code. I'm leaving the comment here for your reference, and let's start the solution sliding window technique. Okay, so character underscore set is equals to set. We have defined a set, and then we have two pointer approach. So left is equals to 0, and then max length is equals to 0, and then for right in range of length of string, while s of string of right in character set, then character set dot remove s of left, and then left plus equals to 1. So increase the value of left, and then character set dot add s of right, and then max underscore length is equals to max of max underscore length comma right minus left plus 1, and then we will return max underscore length. So let's run the program. So you can see all the three options, the cases are also approved in this one. So here is a quick recap. First, we have used the brute force, which is order of n square, the brute force solution, and the complexity of the solution is order of n square. And then we have used the sliding window technique, which is the best solution, and the complexity of this is order of n. So yeah, so this is the solution. So here is a challenge for you. Try modifying the function to return the substring itself instead of length. Let me know in comments and how you did it. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding interview preparation. Thanks for watching.